Let me read a statement which I have here concerning the happenings in the country in regards to the recent remarks of Honorable Kahiga, the governor of Nyeri. We have noted Governor Kahiga's recent apology and resignation. However, these actions alone are insufficient to undo the deep harm caused by his disgressive remarks celebrating the death of Baba Raila Odinga. Words of such hatred and disrespect carry serious consequences and must be met with full accountability. Therefore, I reiterate the demand for immediate arrest and prosecution of Governor Kahiga. His public incitement of hatred is not a matter of political disagreement, but a criminal offense that undermines national unity and peace. No leader is above law, regardless of apologies. The true rule of law must prevail to deter others from similar acts of division and hatred. We call on law enforcement agencies and the judiciary to act swiftly and transparently. Only through such firm actions can we honor Raila Odinga legacy and protect our nation cohesion. Thank you. God bless you.